Hello darlings, my name's Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in Mutxamel, a beautiful residential area not too far from the city of Alicante and also within the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you a newly built residential project that comprises of 36 villas. These villas are scheduled to be ready sometime in 2027. What's interesting about these villas are they are on plots from 336 square metres. The actual home itself offers 125 square metres, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and all distributed on one floor. What's also really appealing is that if you would like that outdoor exterior space, they also come with very spacious solariums. So right here inside of Bonalba Hotel, let's begin the tour. As you come into the villa through the pedestrian entrance, I'm going to bring you onto the grounds of the property. This particular home is on a plot of 558 square metres and all of the homes actually within the project, 36 in total, all have slightly different plot sizes, but they all have a similar feel. So I'm going to take you across first onto this wide porcelain stone pathway, and this would be the entrance to the front door entrance of the home. What I really like about it though is they have landscaped the gardens to be warm and intimate but also very functional. If I take you over to this side, you'll be able to see that they have very conveniently placed an entry point for your vehicle to come through the gates, and there's a parking space within the grounds of the property also. Now we're going back over to this side and I'm going to show you around the outdoor living spaces that the family get to enjoy. As we come along this way, it leads you to the rear of the property. Overlooking artificial lawn and more landscaping with the gardens, we're immediately coming into the entertainment area of the home. This is where the family would, let's say, enjoy this wonderful climate that we're experiencing. The spacious terraces comprise of a roof area that has a dining area that is set to dine 6. With this particular table, but you could quite easily fit a larger table should you like. You also have a roof lounging space, a sun lounging spot, an extension of your terraces, and the swimming pool itself is 8 by 4 metres. Now let's say for example you're wanting even more additional outdoor living space, well you can also have that. What I really like though is that you get that integration with the outdoor spaces with all the rooms of the interior living spaces too. As I come in through the front door, it is a security door. And this entrance is quite spacious. You've got your intercom, your video intercom system here, and you also have a system so that if you need to turn on or off your lights upon entering or leaving with just one button, you also can. It brings you really nicely into an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen, which gives you a lovely, relaxing and seamless balance within the space. Altogether, the living area is 58 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.5 metres. As you can see, the actual configuration of this room, the living room is the first area of the living space that you do see, but then it actually leads really seamlessly into what is your dining space area. This dining table is actually currently set to dine 6, and all of the space is overlooking these large patio doors that give you great integration with the interior and the exterior living spaces. Taking you now from the dining space, I'm now taking you into the kitchen. This kitchen comes with a large central island and on one side features a breakfast bar for 3. On this side, you do have an extension of your cabinetry with very deep and sizable cupboards. And then within the middle of your central island, you have your cooking hob and also your extractor. You'll find the appliances that they've actually decided to go with within this development are Johnson. But like all developments, your kitchen appliances, you can choose the brand that you do prefer. There is a continuation of your kitchen appliances and also cabinetry on the back wall too. In this corner, you have more cabinets. You also have a rather sizable refrigerator and freezer. You then also have right in the middle the kitchen sink with cabinetry below and also your dishwasher. Cabinetry above, and then you also have your microwave and your oven. Now, what I really like is the fact that it is all on one floor, and so for those that actually would like easy access into and out of the home, it's perfect because all of the doorways are wider and a little bit taller as well to accommodate. Now taking you into the first bedroom. This bedroom is warm, classically inviting and also modern. You do have on one side your patio doors that give you integration with your exterior terraces and gardens to the front of the home, but then on the other wall you also have your integrated wardrobes. This bedroom offers 13 square meters. Coming out of the first bedroom, I'm now going along the hall and I'm now going to take you into the second bedroom. This bedroom is again with a similar interior feel. You will find that it again has your patio doors that give you access out onto the terrace, but then you also have your integrated wardrobes on one side. This bedroom does, however, offer an ensuite bathroom. And with all of the bathrooms in this home, you can get a really good idea as to different kinds of finishes, styles and details that come equipped with your bathroom, depending on what you prefer. Taking you now back into the hall, I'm now taking you to the main bathroom. And this bathroom again is giving you a slightly different interior design feel, but is again fully equipped. Taking you to the end of the hall, you will also find the third bedroom, final bedroom, as the primary. The second bedroom that we went into offered 11 square meters and the primary offers 20 square meters. It features its own ensuite bathroom with 2 sinks and 2 vanities. And you also find that it then opens into the expanse of the bedroom space. I like the fact that it's really warm and balanced in all of the rooms, that you have the large porcelain stone tiled flooring, and within the primary they've incorporated here wardrobes on 2 sides of the walls, and then they have also incorporated in it patio doors to give you access to the rear terraces and the swimming pool. Walking around the grounds of Bonalba Golf Resort, you can find an 18-hole championship golf resort that is of par 72. What's distinctive about it and gives it its charm is you have wide fairways, beautiful bunkers, great green residential zones that surround the actual golf course, and you also even have 7 lakes on site too. Now that we're in the high heat of summer, you can still experience a very peaceful and wonderful place to practice the sport, whether you're an international golfer or whether you're a local resident. They also have on hand a summer school designed for children that also want to go on to become golf enthusiasts. And well, it's a beautiful place if you're wanting to come, have a quiet time with a coffee, even a light bite, and just enjoy and soak up being close to nature. So why don't you come on down to Bonalba Golf? Coming up the stairs to the Solarium, and this is quite an impressive solarium in the sense that it gives you approximately 120 square meters of additional outdoor living space. You could create all kinds of entertainment spaces within this one area alone. Let's imagine an outdoor jacuzzi, a summer kitchen, a stargazing spot, a yoga little outdoor studio. I'm getting ridiculous now, but you name it, you could do it. What I love about it though is that you get panoramic views, not only of where the location where we are, but beyond. So on this side I can see the Mediterranean Sea and the skyline of Alicante city. On that side I can see mountains and glimpses of the Bonalba Golf Resort, which is literally a few minutes away. And I can also see the residential area and how established it already is here in Mutxamel. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is to be confirmed at a later date. There is no community fee and the refuse is €180 per year. These are fantastic villas. They have just started construction, are in their first phase, and the first phase will be completed at some time in spring 2027, but then they also have various timescales for their homes generally within the phases. So some are due to finish 2027 at the beginning and also at the end, and then also 2028. But as always, SpainHomes tries to get in as early as possible to show you these projects whilst they are still available. What I like about them is they give you modern comfort within the home, great specifications that are included like hot and cold air conditioning, aerial thermal heating, underfloor heating in the bathroom should you want it, also pre-installation for solar panels should you want it, a variety of other things too, so don't forget to check it all out on our description on our website. And what can I say about the location? Being in Mutxamel, you are just 15 minutes away from Alicante city, 20 minutes away from Alicante's airport, and then also you have some wonderful things to enjoy within the residential area itself. Bonalba Golf, which is not too far away, the caves or cuevas de Calobre, which is also within 10 minutes car drive, and more. So if you like this property and you like the listing, don't forget to check out the finer details. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you again, and no doubt we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!